Hello guys, I am Suresh Machu, founder of Machu Clinic. So I am one of the member of American Academy of Micropigmentation, and we are treating this vitiligo since 2009. We have more than 50,000 of happy, successful vitiligo patients we have bring out their original skin back. And in this session, we are going to show you the real-time process of how we are treating this vitiligo white patch and bringing the actual skin color back. That's the beauty about this treatment. Let's get into the video. And if you guys have any doubt, do comment us and share it to as much as possible. Thank you.